Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to walk you through all the ways you can delete elements in Visual Composer. The first and the most straightforward way is through the element controls that each element has. Like this single image element can be deleted right here, but you can delete elements that are higher in the hierarchy too. Here you can delete individual columns or the whole row. By the way, you can always see which part of the layout will be affected by the border that shows up when you hover over the element controls. So, blue for rows, yellow for columns, and green for the content elements. Another way to delete elements is through the tree view. As you can see, it reflects all content in your page. You can delete individual rows, or if you open up the rows, you can delete all elements one by one. And here at the bottom of the tree view, you can also just delete everything on the page if needed. If by any chance you've downloaded an element from the hub that you don't want in your content library, open it up and click on the gear icon. That will allow to delete any elements from the element library. They will be available to download from the hub again if you change your mind. And those are all the ways you can delete elements in Visual Composer. Thank you all for watching and enjoy!